Welcome to Football Talks. Today I am going to analyze the English Premier League game played between Liverpool and Tottenham. Liverpool started the game with 4-3-3 formation, while Mourinho lined up Tottenham in a 4-4-2 setup. Without the ball, Tottenham retained 4-4-2 formation in the midfield. However, they shifted to back 5 while defending in the box. The formation looked like 5-4-1. Liverpool defended with 4-4-2 in the midfield. They did not have to defend in their own box in numbers because they had 70% of the possession. Liverpool would build the attack in a 4-3-3 formation with Henderson, Jones and Wijnaldum forming the triangle in the middle. In the final third, the fullbacks of Liverpool would take advanced positions and their wingers would move to half spaces. This setup gives the holding midfielder more options to find his teammates. Further up the pitch, they were seen shifting to a 2-3-5 formation. Intention here is to stretch the defense. Let's look at the first goal of Liverpool. Williams finds Robertson after receiving the ball from Henderson with a diagonal pass. Robertson gives the ball to Jones. Firmino makes himself available for pass and gets it. Meanwhile, Jones looks to occupy the space behind his marker. Jones gets the ball and runs towards the box. He tries to dribble past defenders, but ball ricochets off of the foot of defender and falls for Salah. Salah takes the shot, but ball loops in the air after taking deflection from the foot of defender and goes into the goal. Let's look at the first goal of Tottenham that came from counter-attack. Lo Celso, after getting the ball from the keeper, runs into the empty space behind him, taking advantage of the out-of-shape defense after transition. Lo Celso is moving into the empty space here. Now he is in position to look for Son's run. Lo Celso had two options here, Kane and Son. He opened his body, which made Henderson to anticipate the pass on his left. Then he used his left foot to pass the ball to Son without it being intercepted either by Henderson or Alexander-Arnold. Here Son has opened up his body to put the keeper in two minds. Keeper is clearly deceived. He was looking for a shot on his left. Let's look at the two missed opportunities of Tottenham. The first opportunity came in 46th minute. Here again Tottenham took advantage of transition and launched attack with a long ball. Centre-back's slightly misdirected pass found Bergwijn after bouncing from the head of the defender. Bergwijn could have passed the ball to Son here, but he went for the shot himself and missed a very good chance. The reaction of Mourinho says it all. This opportunity came in the 63rd minute. Kane gave the headed pass to Son after meeting the goalkeeper's kicked ball in the air. Son headed the ball into the strides of Bergwijn, who took the ball into the box. Here he could have passed the ball to Lucas, who was in a better position, but he went for the shot. His shot hit the post and another chance was lost. And Mourinho was not happy.